In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Lovable Live Preview, not working or blank preview. We'll walk through 4 fixes, starting with the simplest and moving toward the more thorough solutions. So let's jump right in. We'll begin with the first fix, which is a hard refresh of a stuck preview. Open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Once the dashboard loads, look for the affected project card and click on it. The project editor will open, and you should see the blank, stale, or errored preview right there in the preview area. Now we'll refresh the preview state. If you are on Windows or a Chromebook, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard to perform a hard refresh of the Lovable Browser tab. If you are on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R instead. Give it a second to fully reload. If the preview is still blank or showing the same error after the hard refresh, we'll move on to the next fix. For the second fix, we'll use Lovable's Try to Fix button. When Lovable detects an error, this button appears near the preview, and clicking it asks Lovable to automatically resolve the issue on its own. The third fix is to ask Lovable to investigate the blank preview and verify it. We'll do this in 2 parts. First, send the targeted repair prompt. Click the message input at the bottom of the Lovable chat panel. Now type the blank preview repair request. You can copy and paste the prompt directly from the pinned comment below this video to make this faster. Once your prompt is in the message box, click the send button or the arrow icon on the right side of the input. Wait patiently for Lovable to finish applying the fix, then look back at the preview area to see if it has loaded correctly. This takes a moment, so we'll skip ahead. Next, we'll verify the fix with browser testing. Click the message input at the bottom of the Lovable chat panel once more. Type the verification request in the message box. Again, you can copy and paste this verification prompt straight from the pinned comment to save time. After your text is entered, click the send button or arrow icon to submit it. Wait while Lovable runs the browser test on your project. This takes a moment, so we'll skip ahead. If the preview still does not load and Lovable reports the same error, continue to the 4th fix. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The 4th fix is to revert the broken change and reapply it in smaller steps. We'll start by returning to the last stable version. In the Lovable chat timeline, locate the View History icon at the top center of the panel. Scroll through the history and look for the edit made just before the preview went blank. On that edit card, click Revert to this version. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Confirm to proceed. Wait while the project rolls back to that earlier stable state. Once the rollback finishes, check the live preview and confirm it loads again as expected. Now we'll reapply the change more safely. Click the message input at the bottom of the Lovable chat panel. Type the smaller retry request, asking Lovable to apply the change in smaller, safer steps. As before, you can copy and paste this prompt from the pinned comment. With the text entered, click the send button or the arrow icon to send it off. Wait for Lovable to finish the safer retry. As soon as the preview loads correctly and Lovable confirms the safer retry did not recreate the blank screen, you can stop here. And that brings us to the result. After working through these fixes, the Lovable Live Preview should show your app again instead of a blank or white screen. The browser test should confirm the preview is loading properly, and the chat timeline should clearly show the fix or revert that restored the working state. That's how you bring the Lovable Live Preview back when it stops loading or goes blank, and you can return to building your project as normal.